Dear students, today's concept is related to diploblastica. Diploblastica and triploblastic organization. Triploblastic organization. Organization means arrangement. Diploblastica means two layers. Diploblastica means three layers. The first one is diploblastica. In this one, diplo means two, blastica means layers. Two layers present in embryo, that's called as diploblastica. Outer layer is called ectoderm, inner layer is endoderm. This is the ectoderm, this one is endoderm. Ectoderm is the outer layer, endoderm inner layer. Inner layer. In between the undifferentiated layer, that is called as mesoglia. Undifferentiated means gel-like, no cells. This is a gel-like layer, gel-like. There is a mesoglia. This mesoglia is the undifferentiated layer. This is the example for this related phylums. Examples. The first one is phylum Cnidaria. Second phylum Ctenophora. These two phylums example for the diploblastica. Then second type of this one is triploblastica. Triploblastica means three germ layers. Triplo means three, blastica means layers. Three layers. Triploblastica. The outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm, inner endoderm. Ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Ectoderm outer layer, mesoderm middle layer, endoderm inner layer. Three layers. That's why it's called as triploblastica. For the example triploblastica, first phylum is Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes 2. Phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata. Up to this chordate is a triploblastica. First one diploblastica. Second one triploblastica. The diploblastic example Cnidaria and Ctenophora. Triploblastic example from Platyhelminthes to Chordata. These are the phylums. All this one is triploblastica.